Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to set the communication preferences in the Bolt Food application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And here in this page you can just press on the fourth option, which is settings. And you can see in the new page the second option, which is communication preferences. You can just press on it. And here you can set basically the preferences. You can see the Bolt's products. You can see the email and push notifications there. You can just press on it and you can see that you can activate and deactivate them by a single touch. And you can do the same with the others as well. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.